Hello everyone, I am Shubham Tripathi from Varanasi, Uttarpradesh. I am a BTech graduate from Mechanical Engineering in 2020 from AKTU Lucknow. And last year I came to know about eVision TechnoSer through one of my friend, and I joined this in the month of December where I was taught about network and networking, troubleshooting, cabling and its techniques, Windows admin, work group, virtual machine and so on. So the faculties were very helpful. They used to interact with us, and the classes were running smoothly. The faculties were like always attentive to us. They would always respond to us, and overall the experience with eVision was very good. And now I am placed in Accenture with a package of 2.75 as the role of support desktop engineer, and I'm so happy to share my experience with eVision TechnoSer. Thank you so much.